Daily used verbs in their present, past and past participle forms with sentences. Let's begin. To walk. Present form, she walks to work every day. Past form, they walked to the park yesterday. Past participle form, he has walked 10 miles already. To eat. Present form, we eat dinner at 7 o'clock. Past form, she ate a delicious meal last night. Past participle form, the pizza was eaten by everyone at the party. To run. Present form, the children run in the park every evening. Past form, he ran a marathon last year. Past participle form, they have run 5 kilometers already. To sleep. Present form, he sleeps for 8 hours every night. Past form, she slept for only 3 hours yesterday. Past participle form, we have slept well on our vacation. To write. Present form, they write letters to their friends regularly. Past form, she wrote a poem for her mother's birthday. Past participle form, he has written a book about his travels. To read. Present form, we read books before going to bed. Past form, he read the newspaper this morning. Past participle form, she has read all the Harry Potter books. To speak. Present form, she speaks 3 languages fluently. Past form, they spoke to the manager about the issue. Past participle form, he has spoken to the president on the phone. To drink. Present form, we drink water to stay hydrated. Past form, she drank a cup of coffee earlier. Past participle form, they have drunk all the juice. To dance. Present form, they dance salsa every Friday night. Past form, he danced at his sister's wedding last month. Past participle form, she has danced in many competitions. To sing. Present form, she sings beautifully in the choir. Past form, they sang a song at the concert last week. Past participle form, he has sung in several musicals. To play. Present form, we play soccer every weekend. Past form, he played the piano at the recital. Past participle form, she has played tennis since she was a child. To cook. Present form, she cooks dinner for her family every evening. Past form, they cooked a delicious meal for their guests. Past participle form, he has cooked a gourmet meal. To drive. Present form, he drives to work every day. Past form, she drove to the beach last weekend. Past participle form, they have driven across the country. To study. Present form, they study for their exams diligently. Past form, she studied for hours yesterday. Past participle form, he has studied abroad. To listen. Present form, we listen to music while we work. Past form, he listened to the radio this morning. Past participle form, she has listened to all his podcasts. To watch. Present form, she watches movies every weekend. Past form, they watched a documentary last night. Past participle form, he has watched all the episodes. To talk. Present form, they talk on the phone every day. Past form, she talked to her best friend yesterday. Past participle form, we have talked about our plans. To buy. Present form, we buy groceries every week. Past form, he bought a new car last month. Past participle form, she has bought many clothes. To work. Present form, she works in an office from 9 to 5. Past form, they worked overtime last week. Past participle form, he has worked for this company for years. To study. Present form, we study for our exams diligently. Past form, he studied for hours yesterday. Past participle form, she has studied abroad. To clean. Present form, they clean their house every weekend. Past form, she cleaned the kitchen yesterday. Past participle form, he has cleaned the entire house. To teach. Present form, she teaches English at a local school. Past form, they taught a workshop last week. Past participle form, he has taught many students. To help. Present form, we help our neighbors with their groceries. Past form, he helped his sister with her homework yesterday. Past participle form, she has helped many people in need. To use. Present form, they use their smartphones for everything. Past form, she used a calculator to solve the math problem. Past participle form, he has used this tool before. To play. Present form, we play board games every Sunday. Past form, he played basketball with his friends yesterday. Past participle form, she has played the piano since she was a child. To paint. Present form, she paints beautiful landscapes. Past form, they painted their bedroom last month. Past participle form, he has painted many portraits. To travel. Present form, they travel to different countries every year. Past form, she traveled to Europe last summer. Past participle form, we have traveled to many exotic locations. To swim. Present form, we swim in the pool during the summer. Past form, he swam in the ocean yesterday. Past participle form, she has swum in many lakes. To smile. Present form, she smiles at everyone she meets. Past form, they smiled for a family photo. Past participle form, he has smiled through tough times. To love. Present form, we love spending time together. Past form, she loved the movie she watched last night. Past participle form, they have loved each other for years.